Hello everyone. If you are a fashion designer, stylist, boutique owner or a fashion student and you feel that talent hai but money nahi aa raha hai, then this video is especially for you. Many designers ask me one question again and again. Why I'm not earning well even after fashion degree? Today I will tell you the real truth of fashion business, the mistakes designers make, and how you can convert your creativity into profitable brand. So please watch this video till the end because this can change the way you see fashion forever. Yes. My name is Priyanka Sharma. I'm a celebrity stylist, image consultant, and founder of Fashion Pashala. For more than 10 years, I have worked closely with designers, boutiques, and fashion professionals. And I have seen one common problem. Most designers know how to design, but they don't know how to sell. And the fashion without business knowledge is just a hobby, not a career. Why talent is not enough? So let me ask you something honestly. You can stitch beautiful outfits and you understand fabric, silver, strengths, but do you know how to price your designs? How to attract the right customers? And how to market yourself online? How to scale beyond one boutique? This is where most designers fail. Fashion Institute teach creativity but they don't teach fashion entrepreneurship. And that gap creates frustration, self-doubt and financial stress. Then what is fashion business? Fashion business is not just about designing clothes. Fashion business includes brand identity, target audience, pricing strategy, marketing and sales, online presence, customer experience, scaling and profitability. A successful designer think like a CEO, not just an artist. When creativity meets strategy, that's when real success happens. Now, let's understand the case study of Sabyasachi. Let's talk about him. Do you think he became successful only because of his designs? No. His success came from strong brand positioning, clear luxury identity, emotional storytelling, limited exclusivity, and premium pricing. He never sold the lehengas, he sold heritage, emotions, and aspiration. That is the fashion business intelligence. Common mistakes designers make. Mistake number one, charging less because of fear. Mistake number two, copying other designers instead of buying identity. Mistake number three, depending only on Instagram likes, not conversions. Mistake number four, no business plan, no financial clarity. Mistake number five, not understanding online fashion business. And talent without direction is wasted potential. Online fashion business is very important. Today, fashion is no longer limited to boutiques. You can build online boutique, personal brand, styling business, fashion consultancy, courses, and workshop. Digital platforms allow you to reach global clients, NRI customers, and premium buyers, but only if you understand Instagram strategy, YouTube authority, lead generation, and sales funnel. Fashion is now both creative and digital. Now, how to build a profitable fashion brand? So, step 1 is define your niche clearly. Step 2, create a strong brand story. Third, price confidently, not emotionally. Fourth, build trust through content. 5. Convert followers into paying clients. Remember one thing, a small, focused brand earns more than a confused big brand. This is the harsh reality. Now understand why most designers quit. Most designers quit not because of lack of talent, but because of no guidance, no mentorship, no system, no business clarity. Fashion is a long-term game. Those who stay consistent and smart win. Success doesn't come overnight, but it definitely comes with right roadmap. And This is exactly why I created Fashion Pathshala to help designer understand fashion business, build profitable brands, learn online fashion entrepreneurship, avoid costly mistakes. This is not just a course, it's a career transformation program. Now, if you're watching this video, it means you want more from your fashion career. You don't want to struggle forever, you want growth, respect, and income. And trust me, you absolutely deserve it. Your talent is powerful, you just need the right direction. And if you want to learn fashion business seriously, check the link in the description. And if this video helped you even little, please like, share, and subscribe. Comment, I am ready to grow my fashion business, and see you in the next video. Thank you so much.